1 elephant,
One elephant.
2 cats,
Two cats.
3 ducks,
Three ducks.
4 hens,
Four hens.
5 balloons,
Five balloons.
6 cats,
Six cats.
7 books,
Seven books.
8 gift boxes,
Eight gift boxes.
9 eggs,
Nine eggs.
10 stars.
10 stars.
Let's count again. 1 book, 2 umbrellas, 3 candles, 4 pencils, 5 balloons, 6 oranges, 7 shoes, 8 cupcakes, 9 plums, 10 strawberries. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.